Hello, all. Welcome back. Today, we are moving on to the second pillar of communication. Decide your message. So, what do I mean by decide your message? Before you start speaking, decide what you want to say and organize your thoughts in a way that is easy for you to express. Deciding on your main message before you speak helps you choose the right vocabulary and sentence structure. This helps you speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. A simple way to do this is to ask yourself, what is the one main idea I want my listener to understand? Once you know your main message, think of one or two supporting points. Now, let me share something I have noticed. Many people rush to complete their sentences. When someone speaks at a fast pace, they tend to make more mistakes and get confused because they may not remember what they have already said and what they haven't said yet. Many learners feel that they need to speak fast to sound fluent, but speaking clearly and confidently is more beneficial. Remember, the goal is not to speak fast. The goal is to communicate your message clearly and confidently. So, before you begin speaking, take a moment to think. Decide on your message, organize your ideas, and then express them with confidence. Before we wrap up, one clear message leads to clear communication. Practice this every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll explore Pillar 3, visualize your message. Thank you for watching.